Yep. What's up? YouTube, what the business is? It's Clarence over here at Pursuit of Freedom. Pursuit of Freedom. Hey, all there. All there. I can't claim the rights to this instrumental, but it is a remake. Ain't the exact. That's what you gotta love. But hey, anyway, let's get to this here market, man. Like I got some things I've been thinking, man. Did we just see a sucker's bounce? I don't know. I can't. I'm not a soothsayer. But did we just see a sucker's bounce? I mean, this here bounce. It created some trading opportunities, though. I will be honest with you. Let me go to Trade King too, man. Let me see. I'm put two Trade Kings up here. Uh, I might have shrunk that down a little bit too much. Let me slide that back out a little bit. Look at my star now. Dadgum, I was trying to paper trade a little bit this morning. Only up to the tune of $300. I was at 159 something on my last trade, right? Oh. That's trades for this week. Let's just look. Okay, well, actually, that's trades for the day. See, and it's crazy. They done made an update. Now, I don't know. It looks different in this here. But anyway, my first trade on the day, let's see about my placed. How about I do that, right? They got it looking weird. Okay, I got it. I can't even look at it like that. All right. That's more like it. Give me the old school one. I got the updated version and the Trade King too, and I got the old school one. We get used to things at times, we as people. But okay, so I made a few trades in a few stocks this morning. Just want to briefly run over those. I want to introduce you one of my other solar plays, which I will do that right now before I go over a few trades for the day. Vivint Solar Incorporated, man, this is another solar company that has been on a climb, been on a tear. And I want to just put this one out there. Uh, I haven't looked at all of these statistics, I'm just being honest, but let's look at them now. Come on over here to my DSLR. I like my Pure Columbia. Let me go on to that there. All right, so let's look at some statistics for a quick second. Okay, so we always start out with a quick summary of what the company is. Oh, okay, so they fallen off today. 17 hours ago, they reported a quarter two loss. Lags revenue. Okay, that's all I need to see. Volume over here. The average volume is 1 million. They up quite a bit, so they got some selling pressure. Statistics. 1.7 billion. Float. Ooh. I like when it's a lower. Look at the hell by institutions. Have mercy. But I love when the float is a tad bit lower. 43 million on the float, 120 million shares outstanding. Short 6 million of that 120 million is short. Just 5% of the float is held to the short side. That's always good news. Look at this here. Another one. Okay, so we got some cash on deck. You know what I'm saying? Can I get, yeah. Okay, so we got some cash on deck. Oh, okay, so I would be a little careful with Vivint Solar. 1.3 billion. So they cash on debt to their debt ratio. Are they making any revenues? Let's come back up to the revenue. Revenue 290 something million. So I would say be a little careful with this one here. But I have been in and out of this one here a couple times. They like to dip strong. And when they dip strong, that's when you buy. Because I'm going to show you several times that, I mean, this stock, when they pull back, they pull back. They ain't playing with it. You know what I'm saying? But this resistance level I got drawn in red here, it came from 1, 2, 3 touches. And I'm going to go ahead on and circle those 3 of this here resistance level. Now these circles gonna be a little sloppy or whatever, but it came up here and touched this resistance level 3 times, and now today it's falling off. So this resistance, I can flip the color on this bad boy because this resistance, I think, is going to be support. And you might look at a good 20-something% bounce off this bottom. Hey, we in a different market, so you got to trade differently. Breakouts ain't in, but buying some nice bottoms is. I like juicy bottoms. I like them nice round juicy bottoms, baby. You know what I'm saying? Buy this dip. The market is showing that there is some more value down here. Buy it down here, sell it up here. And you had so many opportunities to do that same thing in this stock. Buy it down here, sell it up here. It dips again, buy it down here, sell it up here. 17% on that one. I didn't even do the math on this one here. But if you just caught it right at that line, about right there, and you sold it at that high, that's 13%, sell it. I mean, the resistance is holding. The stock told you one time, okay, I'm not about to go above this $7.45 area. I ain't about to do it. And then the stock sold off. Give you cheaper entry down here at $5.93, $6. You buy it down there with some shares, right? And get back to that. The stock done already told you once, I'm not going above $7.45. Sell it. 20% gain. When the bank gonna do that for you? And get down here near this $6 area again, as close as you can get to it, buy it again. It got up there again, you know what, 17% of my money. And that's all within a 2-month span. Come on. I eat it up all day. So you got 20% once, 20% twice, and then you got 17%. So you got almost 60% of your money, 60% growth on your money in a month. Huh. Okay, 2 months. Banker gonna give you that in a lifetime. Pay attention. Another solar company that I felt stupid about not getting into a little earlier after this gap up, because it's rare for me to see a company $40-something gap and then continue to run. Look at this, 90%. So Zedge or Solar Edge Technologies is another solar company. This one here way down in the dumps, real good solars down here in these here pennies in the dumps. The trend for this company has just been down overall. That don't mean there ain't opportunities though. You buy this support if it holds, or you buy down here at the very bottom. Look at that box. Holy shit kebabs. This is why a lot of people play penny stocks. I'll show you again. Shit. You ain't got to catch it from the bottom. Catch it up here at this here top. Shit. 1.2 months, 138% of your money. How long have they yapping? Okay, so let me get to this, back to this market for a second, man. Like, we at all-time highs. I'm not even moving my resistance up yet because I think that's a fake high anyway. I don't know. I don't believe it. Go back to Trade King for a second. I go ahead on and let's go to Trade King too. I got no strength at all. Luckily, I was able to make a few trades. This thing got like my trades doubled up and stuff. I made 4 trades today. I took 1 loss. I got to show you in Trade King, I guess. Trade King 1. I took 1 loss in this PBYI. They reported good earnings today, and now look at the stock. Stock reported good earnings. It's a gapper. I do not like gappers. I'm just being honest. You got to be quick with gappers if you're on the buy side. But as you can see, I had bought the stock here and then sold it there for a loss. Hold on, I had a gain in there too, buying wise. Let me scroll back. No, actually, my first one was a loss. This YRIV. I bought it and sold it at the top of its play. You know what I'm saying? 2 cents, $200. I took a gain and got out. You know what I'm talking about? I went ahead and took this PBYI to the short side. Blue dot is buy, red dot is sell. So I sold it up here because I seen this resistance held once, patterns repeat, resistance held twice. So I sold it there. I'm giving up game right here, man. And I locked in just a little small gain for the day because it's only $300, but it'll take me more than 12 hours to make that kind of money. You know what I'm saying? And then history repeated itself once. it'll repeat itself again. Stop, punch back up. I sold it again, short sold, and then I just took a small gain, another few $100, just a few dollars, but not a few hundred, just $60 in that case. So I really just wanted to make up for this loss. I got that loss back in that trade, and then I put a little bit of money on top of that. So that $120 got erased on the loss, and I'm in Gainesville. This account started this year with $100,000. It's at 160. So if I would have just had $100,000 cash, I would have made already this year more than I'm going to make working 40 hours a week or more all year long. So that's the reason why I wanted to do this here video. Right at 10 minutes, man. The market kind of playing games. When you're really going sideways, and you got to try to capture volatility to the up and to the down. I mean, you got to be a true trader. Trade the short, sell, and go long. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's Pursuit of Freedom.